Let's talk about integers. Integers are a data type. They're a type of information that is numbers, and we use these just like we do in normal mathematics. So the counting numbers, positive or negative, 0 included, and let's contrast those to the strings we just learned about. Strings are characters, which include the A through Z characters and digits 0 through 9. But the difference is a string is just a representation of a picture of that number. It's the representation of the shape of the number 3 versus the actual integer number 3 is something that we can do mathematical operations with. And so the difference between the two is quotes and not quotes. So we see that their string number representation here, this would be the same as negative 123, but it's a negative character and then the 1 and 2 and 3 digit characters. And so we can echo that to the screen, and we see the negative 123. And an integer has no quotes, and we can echo that as well. And notice that the quotes do not echo in the integer right there. In the print statement, we have a little bit different behavior for strings and for number integers. So let's go ahead and print that, and we see it prints without the quotes because that's the behavior of the print statement. The print statement is also able to decipher numbers, and in this case an integer number, 2017, and it can echo it as well. It can also echo a negative number. The difference here is the quotes. This makes it a string. So I can add a letter in with that because it's a string. If I put a letter into here, it no longer makes sense to Python and it causes an error. Integers are the counting numbers, both positive and negative, and include 0. If you put them in quotes, that'd be a string. So we don't use strings with our integers. Just put on the number, no quotes.